Cream Madonnas, welcome back to the channel. I'm Velitra and I'm the crafty black girl. So you guys, jumping right into today's video, we are making canvases and I'm going to be putting these canvases inside of the Father's Day basket. So I just went on Google and pulled up a Miami Dolphins background for your cell phone, and I'm just going to go ahead and edit this and make a cute little picture for a canvas. So I went into Canva and tried to see what dark woods they had, dark wood backgrounds, and this is what I found. So I went ahead and took the Miami Dolphins photo and put it on top. I matched it as close as I could with the wood that was already in the background. I did want to use that Happy Father's Day decal, but it didn't work out. I just didn't like how it looked. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and center the Miami Dolphins background that I had in the center of the picture, and this whole thing is going to create the design for our canvas. And then I'm going to add the words Happy Father's Day because I did not like the words that I had that was already created in Canva. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put that at the bottom, and I'm going to change the color of the font because as you can see, you can't see it, it's too dark. So we're going to make it white and we're going to make it pop and stand out and look really nice. And now I'm going to change the size of this canvas or this picture to fit the canvas, and that's going to be 8 by 8. So y'all, these canvases came from Michael's. There were 12 for, I believe, $12.99, and I did use two coupons, so it came out to be less than $1 for each of these canvases. And what I printed on is the printable vinyl from Cricut, and so that helped me out a lot. I just went ahead and printed it out on my printer at home, and now I'm using my Cricut cutting tool to go ahead and cut it down to 8 by 8, and as you can see, it fits my canvas. So now I'm just going to take some acrylic paint and we are going to paint the outside of this canvas black, just the border. And I'm just using the little sponges from Dollar Tree. You can use a brush if you like, but I find it to be pretty seamless doing it this way. I didn't even need to paint as much as I did, but I just did a little bit extra. Then I just went on the sides to make sure that I covered up everything that was white. I did not worry about the back of the canvas because of course it's going to be up against the wall, or it should be up against the wall. It's not going to show. So I went ahead and just did the outsides of it, and then I let that dry for probably about 10 minutes. And this is actually vinyl, you guys, so I can put it right on there. That's the other picture that we're going to do for the fishing theme basket, and this is for the sports theme basket that I told you guys we were going to do. And because it's vinyl, I don't have to glue it down. Normally if you use regular paper, which you can use regular paper, I just didn't have any printer paper, you can actually glue it to the canvas, but I just used vinyl. I used the printable vinyl and I just stuck it down. So now I'm going on the outside of the picture of the vinyl that we created in Canva and printed it out, and now I'm just gonna rough it up and make it look a little rustic, make it look a little painted, and just add some little imperfection. That's also gonna cover the seam of where we put the vinyl on the canvas, so that will cover that up and it'll make it look super cute, and that's what it looks like. So the fishing theme, one of the fishing theme baskets, we are going to use this picture for, and we're going to include these. And I really love this picture. I found it on Google and just went ahead and printed it out on the vinyl, and now I'm going to attach it to the actual canvas. And I love that it's already sticky because it helps me skip a step, because normally, like I said, you would have to go ahead and glue the photo to the canvas. So now I'm doing the same thing on the outsides. I am darkening the border, and it actually just makes it look more professional, makes it look more polished, and it really doesn't take long to do this, you guys. It takes probably like 5 minutes, and this is something that you can gift if you know somebody likes a specific thing and you can't find something to tie your basket together. Just like we did the frames before, it is perfect for that. Now I'm using the glossy Mod Podge and I'm gonna go over the whole canvas, you guys. This is going to dry clear, but it is going to complete and it is going to finish our canvases. So I made sure that I got really good where we put the canvas on the sides, all of the seams, and I will probably go over them twice actually, but this is the first coat of the Mod Podge, and this is just glue. It's just clear glue, and this is what they look like when they dried. You guys, overnight, the next morning, this is what these canvases look like. They're secure, they're nice, they have a nice shine to them, and you can put any picture that you want on these canvases, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, you guys. Of course, there's going to be another part to this video. When I put these baskets together, you'll be able to see how it adds to our baskets for Father's Day. These are the fishing baskets that the fishing canvases will go into, you guys. So leave me a comment down below if you like little DIYs like this. Let me know and give it a thumbs up, you guys. Until next time, stay crafty.